top question from our car crash clients is, who's going to pay for all this? Folks know auto insurance is involved, but I'm going to tell you how it works. The primary payer is liability insurance. That's coverage on the at-fault driver's car. You'll soon get a call from an insurance adjuster who works for the liability insurance company. He's got one goal: cheapen your claim as much as possible. Be real careful speaking to him if you haven't already spoken with an experienced car accident lawyer. Now, if the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance, you can still get your claim paid through your own policy with a coverage that's called underinsurance. Now, let me tell you a shocker about paying medical bills. Liability insurance isn't going to pay them as they come to you. You've got to pay them as you go along. So if you've got health insurance, use it. Even though you might have to pay your health insurance back from your car accident settlement, it's often at a nice discount from your medical bills. And you might have a type of coverage on your own policy called personal injury protection or MedPay coverage. You can use that to pay bills even if you have health insurance. Usually people get that in amounts covering up to $1,000 or even up to $10,000. It just depends on your policy. The minimum limits in South Carolina are only $25,000. So hopefully you've already got the most important insurance coverage in our state. That's called underinsurance. It pays when you get hurt by a driver who doesn't have enough insurance to cover your injuries. It can pay the rest of your claim or at least compensate you more fully. Sadly, South Carolina doesn't require this type of coverage, but our law does require your agent to offer it the right way. And if he doesn't, if you need the coverage, you can get it anyway, even if you rejected it. But figuring that out requires a detailed legal analysis, and to get it, you can count on a fight with your insurance company. So one of the hardest things victims have to deal with in a car crash case is just managing all the coverage. We do it for a living. If you're worried about shortchanging yourself by not finding all the coverage you're entitled to, call or email us so we can talk to you about your case, listen to you about your concerns, answer your questions, and give you the best possible access to the most possible coverage. And if you've got other questions about your case, you can download our report from our website that might answer your other questions. If not, call on us. I thank you for thinking about this with me, and I hope I see you soon.